Hello guys and welcome back to unboxing. In this video we're going to be unboxing our 10 kg Cnfans Haul. If you guys want any items, check out this spreadsheet. We have over 8,000 new items. And yeah, now let's get to unboxing. On to the first item, we have some Kobe's. As you guys can see, just look at the quality. The quality looks super good. Just look at the soles. And honestly, these were around about, if I'm not sure, $15, and just take a look at them. And yeah, now let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have some Noctis. As you guys can see, the quality looks insane on them, and these were also $15. So make sure to not miss out on the whole fan events, because every item will be discounted 80%, which is a complete steal. And yeah, let's check on the next item. On to the next item, we have some Dior B30s. As you guys can see, the quality is nice on them. Just take a look at the front of them, they're super good. And on the back, as you guys can see, there's the Christian Dior logo, and this is the sole. And these were also $20 if I'm not sure, and yeah, a complete steal. On to the next item, we have some Prada caps. Now let's check them out. They come in a Prada bag, as you guys can see, and now let's check them out. This is what they look like from the front, from the back, from the side. And honestly, these I bought them for around about $20 on a whole fans event, and I can't really complain. The quality on them is super insane, and honestly a 10 off 10, no debatable. On to the next item, we have a Chromats item. Now let's unbox it. As you guys can see, this is what the t-shirt looks like. On the back you also have the Chromats logo, and here you also have a small Chromats logo. And honestly, I paid $15 for this item, which is super good. If you guys want it, check out that spreadsheet. And now let's get to the last item. On to the last item, we have a Goyard phone case. As you guys can see, it looks super good, and honestly for $3 you can't really complain. And yeah, if you guys want to check out any items, check out that spreadsheet. And yeah, peace out.